Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of sending Bitcoin from your Coinbase wallet to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. This method is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Coinbase Wallet and Ledger Nano X set up and ready to go. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone or computer. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your Bitcoin holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Select Bitcoin to begin the transfer process. Next, hit the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Ledger Nano X. Unlock your device using your PIN, and open the Bitcoin app on it. Go to the Receive section to generate a new receiving address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Carefully copy this address without any mistakes, as it's case sensitive. Head back to Coinbase and paste that address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review all the details one last time to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction in Coinbase. You'll need to approve it with your Coinbase security settings, like two-factor authentication. On your Ledger Nano X, it will display the transaction for final verification. Double-check the amount and address here too, then confirm with your device. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now safely on your Ledger Nano X. This hardware wallet adds an extra layer of security against online threats. Remember, always keep your private keys offline and stay updated with the latest crypto best practices. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.